have a recipe for you. Chopped chicken and broccoli patties. Look how beautiful they are and how good they taste. As always, you can find the exact amount of ingredients in the description under the video. I invite you to prepare this recipe. We need half a kilogram of finely chopped chicken fillet, 1 cooked broccoli. I cooked it for about 5 to 7 minutes. I chopped it finely. Add 1 onion, 1 pressed onion, a clove of garlic, 1 egg, 1 heaped tablespoon of potato starch, and 1 heaped tablespoon of wheat flour, and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, salt, and of course pepper. Simply mix the entire mass, then fry the patties in hot oil over medium heat until golden brown on each side. Serve with your favorite toppings, and there you have it. Delicious, colorful. I recommend you to prepare it. You can find the recipe on the blog, and I always provide the link under the video. Thank you. Best regards.